Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an FBM shipping template. This shipping template example is what I use when shipping a first class item FBM. A first class item is anything you can ship that's under a pound, so let's go ahead and begin.
First thing you'll want to do is go to sellercentral.amazon.com and sign in. From the home page, hover over settings in the top right corner, select shipping settings. From here you're going to select create new shipping template. Select create new shipping template and select OK. If you have multiple addresses where you ship from, you'll be able to choose from one or all addresses. This helps Amazon show estimated delivery time to customers based on your region. Once you've selected the address, click Next. Fulfillment preferences will pop up and you will keep it on seller fulfilled non-prime shipping settings. Click Next. Now your standard shipping automation preferences will pop up. From here you can choose which options you will be shipping from. This will provide a more accurate delivery time to customers. If you do not have a specific carrier you use, you can select all minus on track. Next is shipping services priority section and click the first line so Amazon shows the customer the longest delivery time. Then you're going to scroll down to region preferences and click edit. Uncheck Hawaii, Alaska, and Puerto Rico, as shipping prices will be expensive and will cut deeply into your profits, if not all of it. Then select OK. Then select Next. Now it shows premium shipping automation preferences. This is for expedited 2-day or 1-day delivery. Leave blank and select Next. Then we will review over what we selected and click Confirm. Now you can change the shipping template name to what you want. For this example, we're going to put $5 small first class item. For rate model, select per item/weight. Now scroll down to shipping options, regions, and rates. Unselect free economy shipping and select OK. Since you are accounting for the shipping and the price of your item, you don't want a customer to have free shipping as it cuts into your profit. Now we move on to the standard shipping section. Unselect all boxes that say PO Box. We unselected this because the standard PO Box only accepts deliveries from USPS, which in some cases will be more expensive in shipping, especially since Amazon rolled out the new UPS discounted rates, where now shipping first class items are cheaper with UPS when buying shipping through Amazon. For the standard shipping section, you will put for shipping fees $0 per order and $5 per item. For expedited shipping, you will leave the transit time to 1 to 2 days. For shipping fees, you will put $10 per order and $2 per pound. Then go to the 2-day delivery section and unselect it. Then select OK. Until you get a good understanding on how seller fulfilled orders work, I do not recommend doing 2-day deliveries. International shipping should also be unselected. Then click Save. And that's going to be it how you create a shipping template. When you're listing an item and you want to select your shipping template, hit More Attributes on the top right. Then go to Shipping Templates and select the drop-down menu. Scroll down and select the template you'd like to use. Then once you fill in the rest of the information for the listing, scroll down and select Save and Finish. And it will add that shipping template onto your new listing.
That's going to be all for today's video. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.